In today's video, I'm going to teach you Stuck on Update League of Legends. If your Riot client shows League of Legends stuck on updating and won't move, there's a simple trick that refreshes the updater and lets you continue without reinstalling or doing anything complicated. First, make sure you're logged in to the Riot client. On the left side of the client, click the League of Legends icon to open the game's page. Now look to the top right corner of the client and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This is where we're going to make a small change that forces the client to recheck files and unlock the Update button. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Game Text Language. This controls the language used for menus, chat, and in-game text. Select a different language from the one you're currently using. Don't worry, this doesn't change your server or your account, and you can switch back after the update. Changing the text language prompts the client to grab the related language files, and more importantly, it refreshes the patch manifest. That usually clears the stuck state and allows you to click Update again. After choosing a different language, return to the main league page in the client and click the Update button when it becomes available. Let the update run to completion. Depending on your connection and the size of the patch, this might take a little while. It's best to keep the client open and avoid interrupting it so everything can patch cleanly. Once the update finishes, go back to Settings and open Game Text Language again. Now switch back to your original language. You might see a small additional download as the client swaps language files back. That's normal and typically quick. When it's done, you're all set. Your game will be up to date, and your preferred language will be restored. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Be sure you're changing game text language, not your region, and not voice settings. This method doesn't affect your friends list, keybinds, or in-game settings beyond the language used for text. If you're not sure which language you originally had, pick the one you're most comfortable reading. You can always revisit the same menu and adjust it again later, and that's it. By temporarily switching the game's text language, you prompt the Riot client to refresh the update process, click Update, and then switch back once everything is current. Simple, fast, and effective.